Field Marshal Lord Roberts was one of the most famous soldiers of the Victorian era. He was awarded the Victoria Cross in 1857, and he long campaigned for the rights of ex-servicemen, especially for those who had been disabled. He established the Lord Roberts workshops in the 1890s, employing a number of disabled ex-servicemen. He also took a keen personal interest and later became one of their trustees. Following his death in November 1914, whilst visiting his beloved Indian troops, they were renamed the Lord Roberts Memorial Workshops. By 1920, there were 11 workshops around the country producing a variety of goods such as basketware, beds and bedding, furniture and toys. And toys such as this large toy tank. So made of grey painted wood by disabled ex-servicemen. Unfortunately on this one, our sponsons, which would have held the guns, are missing. But on the front we have a small ring which would have had an attached piece of string in order to pull it along the floor. Now underneath we have 4 wheels that are slightly offset, and it gives it this wonderful lumbering action as if it was trolling across the battlefields. And underneath, towards the back, is a plaque that says Lord Roberts Memorial Workshop. The workshops made other toy tanks too, as you can see here, but this one has the early driving wheels on it. In September 1918, a Mrs. Erskine even launched Eastbourne Miniature Tank Week in order to raise funds for the workshops. Now, I just love this tank. I think it's an absolutely marvellous example of some of the work the ex-servicemen were doing for Lord Roberts' workshops, and that work continuing right up until 2017.